With ChatGPT and Google Gemini, you can fully design a system, but the execution is still on you. In the end, you have to connect everything, set up the scheduling, and every time something breaks, you have to go back and fix it yourself. This video is exactly about that. I want to see if CREAO only designs, or actually executes as well. So I decided to build a real workflow, connect it to real tools, and then completely leave it. If it keeps running on its own, it's valuable. If not, it's no different from the others. Right now, I'm inside CREAO. The interface is very simple. There's just a box where you describe what you want. I'm not going to give a simple example here. I want to test a real workflow and see if the output is actually usable or not. I want to build a system that checks the prices of several competitors, saves them into Google Sheets, and runs automatically every Monday at 9 a.m. This is exactly the kind of task we either never do, or we start and then abandon halfway, because setting it up takes time. You have to do scraping, structure the data, connect Google Sheets, and then set up the scheduling. Usually that means coding, debugging, and a lot of manual configuration. But here I'm explaining all of this in a single prompt. I clearly define what I want, checking competitor pricing pages, saving the data into Google Sheets, and running it automatically every week. I send the prompt and CREAO starts working. And this is the important part. It doesn't just give an answer, it's actually building the workflow and preparing it for execution. Now it asks me to connect the integrations, and I connect Google Sheets. This is where the first real test happens. The system runs, I go into Google Sheets, and the data is there. Not a mock-up, not a preview, a real output. Now the more important part begins. I click on Create App, and this workflow turns into a real app, which means I don't have to come back and rebuild it every time. This is exactly where the one-click app happens, turning a conversation into a real tool. I check the scheduling every Monday at 9 a.m. That means this system will run on its own without any involvement from me. And this is the key point. After this stage, the AI is no longer making decisions every time. The system executes the same logic deterministically. At this point, I didn't just get an answer, I built a system that can keep running without me. If I want to make a change or add a new API, I don't have to start from scratch. I can modify it right there, and the system updates. And if you introduce a new API, CREAO can integrate it and store it as a skill, so it can be reused in other projects later. In the end, if I want to summarize it simply, you explain it once, the system gets built, and then it keeps running. Not just an answer, but a real workflow that stays. If I'm being honest, the most interesting part here isn't that AI does something. It's that what you build stays even after the chat ends. That's exactly the difference that defines its real value. If you want to test it yourself, I've put the CREAO link in the description. But what really matters is this. What are you going to build with it? A competitor monitoring system, an automated report, or a workflow that runs every day without you? Let me know in the comments. I'm really curious to see your ideas. And if you enjoyed this kind of real AI testing, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.